at the front of the Kowloon Hotel, waiting for our bus going to Lantau Island. So today, we will spend from 9 to 4 in the afternoon here in Lantau Island to visit the Big Buddha and to eat a vegetarian lunch and so much more, to ride the Yongping cable car. Hi boys! Good morning! Say hi to the vlog!
Hi vlog!
The Kowloon Hotel is just in front the Peninsula Office Tower. So this is the lobby, the entrance going to the Kowloon Hotel. Pero hindi kami dyan naka-check-in. Doon kami sa Silka, medyo malayo ng konti dito. Silka, I would recommend the Silka Hotel if you want to go to Disneyland kasi it's near. And nakita ko kanina, ang daming mga turista going to that, staying in that hotel. Okay, so I think we're moving. Okay, so I'll see you guys in Lantau Island. Bye-bye! So we will ride the Gray Line Tours of Hong Kong Limited. Yan ang aming bus. Sakay na yung mga boys ko. Hope we enjoy this tour. Ito ang Kowloon Hotel. Yan. Okay, see you. Bye-bye! Nakaupo na kami sa bus. Dito ako sa window seat. Si Abu Jeng sa kabila. Abu Jeng! Jacob! Whew, excited na. I've never been to Lantau Island. Nung bata pa ako, pupunta kami dito sa Hong Kong. Lalo na nung ang father ko ay na-assign sa Nepal. So ito ang aming parang mag-overnight kami dito or two nights. Then go to Nepal. Fly to Nepal, Kathmandu. And this is my first time to go to Lantau Island. I've seen sa mga vlogs, sa YouTube vlogs na ang Lantau Island is more of nature, scenic, na walang building, so it's very peaceful and there's a monastery or temple there and we will eat vegetarian lunch today. So I'm excited to try that. Okay. So see you guys in a bit. Pasyal muna tayo sa Lantau Island.
For today. Okay. So first of all, I would like to say Happy New Year for everyone and good health.
Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year. 新年快乐. Okay. 好。先不要录我，谢谢。Okay.
Nandito ngayon tayo sa temple na sabi nung ating tour guide, kapag daw tayo ay nag-wish ay magkakatotoo. Lahat daw nag-wish dito, mga wishes nila nagkakatotoo.
Hello, hello. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, everyone. So this is the place that we were studying under the banyan trees. Under the banyan trees. Okay. So we
These
are
are
now
the
getting
banyan
into the trees,
trees.
okay, to watch how they have. Of course, inside the tree there is an artificial tree. It just symbolizes the trees out here. So their school was in here. This place was their school. Okay, and this is a temple as well, Tin Hao, that is in Taiwan. This is called Machu. Okay?
Machu Temple.
Because they protect the fishermen. It's very well known for the Chinese Tin Hao, that is
Machu.
heavenly queen god. Okay, so let's get into shrine. Okay.
Let's go inside the Machu Shrine. In Taiwan, there are many shrines like this, temples. Yan. Kasi sa Taiwan, Buddhist and Taoism. So this is a Taoist temple. Yung Matsu god nila, yung nakakatakot yung muka. Yun, no?
So you can take pictures. Feel free to take pictures together.
That's cool. Yao Mai Tei. Papa picture? This is an antique weighing scale. It's a centennial weighing scale. This is a place where people used to study, so there are many books here. May piggy bank. There are many books. This is an old camera. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. Wow. Papa!
Where did you see?
of our meal is a soup and tea. So this is corn soup. Tikman natin. Ano lang talaga siya? Corn. Pero fresh yung corn niya. No? Antayin natin yung ibang courses. Kain po tayo.
Iwan tayo dito.
Ito yung course. Second course. Ulam. Gray Line Tour. Ito pa yung mga pagkain natin. Okay, kain po tayo. This is soft tofu with sauce, mushrooms, and parang lemon chicken to, pero it's not chicken, it's veggies. Dami. Tapos may parang lumpia. Kain po tayo. Our lunch here sa restaurant din. Ang sarap! Yung mga kinain namin, para ka na rin kumain sa King Bee restaurant, pero all vegetables. Ang sarap. Oh, sige, Jacob. Wiwi ang anak ko. Papa, ang ganda oh, no? Ganda ng temple. Doon banda ron may Delhi vegetarian coffee. Ano kaya ang lasa nun? Pero ang sarap ng pagkain dito. Sa dulo to eh. Yung Big Buddha na doon sa kabilang side. So, ito yung pinaka dulo. So, pwede ka dito alfresco dining. And ito may monastery. So, okay. So, dito, may entrance din pala dito to the restaurant. Kami kasi doon sa kabilang side kami. Pero dito, you can eat outside. We get to enjoy the very pleasant weather. Let's see what they have here. They have desserts and snacks. So, makiusyoso tayo, ha? Tingnan natin kung ano ang makikita dito at makakain. Oh, so ito may delicate traditional cake, mango pudding, mango sago, mixed vegetarian, fungus fried noodles, bean curd dessert, soya milk, at may beverages. Tingnan natin. Uy, parang masarap to ah. Mango coconut milk with sago. Mango agar-agar and soybean cake. Green tea cake with red bean. Pati na mo sago cake, black eyed tea.
No, you don't need to come back. You don't need to come back.
Sago pudding, green bean, mochi, peanuts mochi, barbecue sauce, sans bun. Okay, steamed dumplings, and they also have churny cake, spring roll, sesame dumpling, red bean paste, pancake, fried taro. I think kinain namin sweet and sour wheat gluten, curry wheat gluten, and 5 spices wheat gluten. And they also have noodles, and fried noodles. Okay. Okay, so pastry, pick any 3. Excuse me, so I can pick 3 pastry for $30.
Yes.
I want to try this one, ma'am. Sago. What's this one? What's different? This one is.
This oven. This is steamed.
This is steamed. This is.
This oven.
So what tastes better?
Like
This one? Okay. So one. Okay. Can I have the peanuts mochi? Yeah. What's this? Black eyed pea. No, good. How about this one? Red bean paste pancake. Good? Okay. Teka, hindi. Buy 3. For ano. Pili ka pa ng isa pa.
Sige.
Ano ba gusto mo i-try? Gusto mo to, sesame dumpling? One? O, pili ka pa ng dalawa pa. Ito. Try mo tong green bean mochi. Can we get the pudding? The mango? Separate. O, try mo to, Jean.
Peanut
Kaya.
mochi meron na.
Meron na. Okay, we try this. Yeah. One.
And one,
Jean, hindi na pwede. Additional na yun.
gusto ko na.
Alin? O, sige. One mango with sago.
Paringa daw siya man.
Teka muna.
Saglit lang.
Teka muna, saglit lang. And one tea, iced tea. Lemon tea. Yeah.
Abi,
Yes. No more. Only one.
Di ko nga.
Ang daming pansit, oh.
Pito ko di mo.
So, ito ang aming order.
Jacob.
Sige. Yeah, okay. So, let's pay. Pakiano mo na lang, Papa. How much?
120.
120.
Okay.
Okay, I'll go.
Thank you very much.